Alright. Let me put y'all here. I did the other video, did not work out, so.
Driving.
There you guys go, my fans. Enjoy the show, okay, my brothers and sisters? Enjoy the show. I hope my phone don't fall. You guys feel like my brothers and sisters, and I want to call y'all brothers and sisters from now on, because you guys are like my best fans ever, and I'm worried about that. I'm worried about the haters. All I care about is y'all.
Yes, I'm a birthday boy.
Oh my. I suck.
Give me a phone. Let me hold it for you. Let me hold it for you.
No, I'm gonna hold it. No, it's fine.
If it wasn't raining, we'd sit in the back of the bed. I reversed it so we could just chill on
Bed?
on the top of here. That's called the bed.
Sorry that my phone fell.
Yeah, top of it. But usually I can sleep here tonight, so it's well,
Sleep here tonight?
yeah.
Why you want to sleep here tonight?
I want to know to do fireworks for me.
Yeah, but they're gonna be over by then.
I gotta pee.
Then go.
She went pee.
I don't want to. There's people.
No, it's not behind there, so no people.
Just go behind your truck and pee in the corner. My brothers, my brother, sorry. My brother really love you guys.
And it's my birthday, and I'm a birthday boy. I'm about to be 6. Let's go. And we wait for past 70,000 days for my birthday.
Found it.
And
Happy
enjoy
birthday,
this
boyo.
thing, and say happy birthday to your guys' family, and got your family's phone, and your girls' your sister's laptop, and send anything to my friends and my brother's friends. And happy enjoying this birthday.
Damn, I fucking.
Aw. Say happy birthdays in the comments.
So used to the center console being there. Send the video to mommy.
Nope, she did it. I'm just gonna do it really close.
No, boyo.
Now let's see better.
God, I hate when my phone's blurry.
My choice.
Bro.
Oh.
Part 1. Part 2.
Round 1. Bye.
You feel right here.
Yay.
Sweet.
Yep, it sure is. It's stopping raining.
As long as you're having fun with us and watching fireworks, that's all that matters.
It almost stopped raining. It's raining a little bit. Look, like this. Almost stopping. And we go outside and watch the bit for my birthday fireworks.
I wish your birthday was today.
Yes, wish. This is my birthday was tomorrow. Say something in front of the picture. Say something.
It's a video.
I love you, birthday boy.
No, a lot of things on the video. Here's
We chilling.
Oh.
There we go.
Zoom in, guys.
Hold on.
Want you guys to enjoy this moment. Please say happy birthday in the comments and show some love and support for my baby brother. This will make him happy.
yay! Where's the card? Oh. Wow, looks like rocket chips. Looks like chips. It look like chips.
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful.
They going in now.
It didn't make the whole smoke.
Come on.
Come on. Come
All
on.
right, that's it. Party over.
Ooh. I love fireworks.
Me too. Who's baby, stupid?
Oh, here we go. Oh, don't even don't attract attention. We chilling. We in our own little area.
I was gonna
Gucci.
din.
You gotta stop,
There you go, boy.
Poppy.
You look.
Oh, I thought we were over.
Happy birthday, boy. Yee.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Like that.
Yeah.
I think that's all of it.
Oh, look over there. It's
What?
not.
I
Wait.
think that's all of it.
No.
I think it's only 15.
Oh.
Oh. Never mind.
Look, Poppy. You see it too?
Sheesh.
Look, Poppy.
Yeah, I know the little stuff. That ain't part of the show though.
Is it over?
No, not. Watch.
Dang, look at all that smoke.
That's firework.
Okay. I think that's everything, boy. Yee.
Happy birthday, boyo. Give me a
Happy
hug.
birthday. A little 4th of July, baby. Now, ready to go eat some wings?
Yep.
Wanna go eat some wings?
Yummy. Oh, no, Poppy. Nope.
Oh,
Oh, is there some more?
Yep.
Say hi, boy. Yee.
Hey, boy.
What you mean? You gotta say hi.
Hi, Poppy.
hey, what's up?
Happy's my birthday. My birthday is my 3 days.
And I will
What
be
happened to
shooting
the
a video
camera?
on my brother's birthday.
What happened to this?
I don't know. I think that's everything, puppy. Alright, y'all.
I hope you guys will love this
Chill out.
video. If it is, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and say happy
And Austin
birthday
town back.
No.
in the
Still
comments.
some more?
Yep.
And I
Here's-
love you guys. Like and subscribe. Say happy birthday in the comments. Peace out, everyone.